Hey guys, so today Jack crashed this battery and destroyed it. All four of these little wires are hanging out and they get really hot and if they touch each other, so we taped them up. But this battery is obviously a threat to humanity, so we think we're going to do something maybe not so smart and try to bust it. We're going to put a nail through it. It's been done before, we've never done it, so we're going to try today. So let's see how this goes.
Go.
Knocked it all the way through there. Take long. So here's what's left of what used to be a 4-cell 1500 milliamp hour battery. The good news is this connector here looks rock solid. We're going to reuse this. Everything else totally trash. So took 3 different hits to get through all 4 cells with 2 different nails, each one generating quite a bit of heat and smoke. So there you go. Don't try this at home. This is probably not the best way to get rid of a battery. Safe way, tape up those leads and dispose of it at an appropriate facility. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Get all the way through there.